In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a phone number clickable on your WordPress website in 2025. This is a simple but extremely useful feature, especially if you want to improve your website's functionality and make it easier for visitors to reach you directly. Imagine someone landing on your site and being able to call you with just a single click. This small improvement can have a big impact on user experience and accessibility. Let's dive in and go through the steps together so you can set this up quickly and efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and go to wordpress.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice the login button in the top right corner. Click on it to move to the login page. Here, you have several options for signing in, but for simplicity, we'll use Continue with Google. This method is fast, secure, and convenient, especially if your WordPress account is already linked to your Google account. A prompt will appear asking you to choose the Google account you want to use. Make sure you select the account associated with your WordPress site to avoid any login issues. Once selected, WordPress will automatically log you in and bring you to your main dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, look at the Quick Links panel on the right side of your screen. Within this panel, you'll find the Edit Site option. Go ahead and click it. This takes you into your site editor, where you can make real-time changes. You'll see a list of sites linked to your account. Select the site you want to edit today. Once the editor loads, navigate to the page or post where you want your clickable phone number to appear. Find the text or number you want to turn into a clickable link. Use your mouse or trackpad to highlight it. At the top of the editor, a toolbar will appear with various options. Look for the link button and click it. A URL field will pop up. Here's the important part. Type in your phone number using the tel: prefix. For example, it should look like tel: 12345678890. This tells browsers and devices to treat the text as a clickable phone number. Make sure there are no spaces in the number itself and double check that it's formatted correctly. After entering the number, click Save or Apply depending on your editor. That's it. You've successfully transformed a regular phone number into a clickable link. Now, visitors can tap or click the number to call you directly from your website. This simple feature enhances your website's usability, improves accessibility, and makes it much easier for potential clients or customers to reach you instantly. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, you can quickly add clickable phone numbers to any page or post on your WordPress site, making your site more interactive and professional. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy WordPress using!